Okay guys, we got a 2018 Lexus LS500. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light. So the first thing you're going to do, double click this. It's going to go to this on position. Next you're going to be using this right here. We're going to press that twice and you're going to get into this menu. Then you're going to go, so most likely you're starting right here. We're going to scroll this way until we get to the settings dial. Go down to vehicle settings, go all the way down to oil maintenance, go up, reset data, press OK, and it has been reset. So from there as well, you can go up to schedule maintenance and you can reset that as well. So that's how you get to it. And again, you're not turning on the vehicle, you're just turning it onto the on position. Hopefully that helped, but thanks for watching.